Welcome to How to Survive the Undisciplined Market, the ultimate guide for new traders. I built this channel to help traders like you avoid emotional pitfalls. This beginner's playbook is an eye opener for those who want to thrive in the world of trading. If you're a beginner and is struggling with your trading, I'm going to show you exactly how to become successful in the stock market. Psychology is everything. Most traders don't fail because of bad systems. They fail because they can't manage their emotions. Trading is 80% mindset, 20% method. Emotional trading is lethal. If you treat trading like gambling, it will treat your money the same way. Think like a strategist, not a reactor. Enter the market in quiet times. That is where opportunities begin. Real opportunities don't scream, they whisper during quiet times. That's when smart traders enter. The goal isn't just to make money. The main target is to trade well with laser sharp discipline, proper setups, and clear risk rules. I know that you are into trading to profit, but there are times that you need to cut short your position to minimize losses. A losing trader doesn't lack capital. They lack the mindset that protects the capital. Always remember that success in trading isn't about winning all the time. It's about surviving your losses. Set your rules before you trade. It is important to make a trading plan the night before. Then, reflect on your trades, your emotions, your decisions. No one will make you rich, not even gurus, not signals. Only you can do that. Believe it or not, your past can sabotage your trades. Heal the mental blind spots that cost you money. Every trade should have a reason. A journal turns your trade into a learning machine. Personally, I created my own spreadsheet. A good system in the hands of a bad thinker still fails. Mindset comes before method. The time to think is before the trade, not during it. Never make emotional decisions during market hours. Stick to your plan like your account depends on it, because it really does. No system is permanent. Learning is a lifelong journey. Read, study, evolve. Markets change, and so must you. You don't need another indicator. You don't need to be emotional. You need to be a better thinker. Fix the thinker, not just the method. You cannot control every loss, but you can control your process. Make one trade at a time. If no trade is available for the day, never trade at all. Wait for the next day. Calm traders think clearly. Confidence in your system brings clarity and good results. Your thoughts and feelings define your outcome in the market. Markets don't move because of you, but you control how you can respond. Mindset affects results. The market has no feelings. Don't give control over yours. Detach. Use intellect, not emotions. You don't need to master the market. You just need to master yourself. The market is like the sea. It doesn't care who you are. Learn it, respect it, sail it with discipline. A few gentle reminders, everyone. You won't win every trade. You don't need to. Control your actions and stay consistent. As a beginner, you need to commit to the long game. Avoid short-term mentality gambling. Keep learning. Read books and follow market experts. Always question and verify information. Don't be greedy and rush to trade. Take your time to build knowledge because more opportunities will come. Trading is not an overnight sensation. Develop your system as you keep learning. Develop a method for analyzing the market. Adapt your tools to the ever-changing market conditions. Update and refine your method continuously. Develop a money management plan. You need to manage your money wisely. Protect your capital. Minimize losses. The three financial goals are long-term financial security, steady capital growth, high profits over time. Work on your emotional control and master it. Always stay patient. Always remember that you cannot control the market, but you can control yourself. Trade with strategy, with discipline, and with serenity. And finally, to master the market, you need to master yourself first. If you learned something valuable from this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. This is just the beginning of your journey to becoming a smarter, calmer, and more profitable trader. More real, honest trading content is coming your way.